Hi, good evening everyone. This is Anna. Today I will going to make a video tutorial on how to convert our active BR share into an AutoCoin since Region already had changed their currency from Bitcoin into this new ECO. So all you have to do guys is to log in your own account and then click this AutoCoin button here located at the left side. First and foremost, all you have to do is to click AutoCoin wallet address. So you should have to set up your wallet address first before you need to convert because it is really required. So all you have to do, just click it here. So it will direct and it will goes to direct into the new page or new tab. So all you have to do is just to click this up until you're done, until you can generate your own wallet, what I mean. Then after that one, so it has been set already. So it says here, bookmarks this page to access your wallet address in the future. So you have to bookmark this one and then just do like this. And since I already had generated my wallet before, just I do this one today for the sake of the video tutorial. So do not forget to bookmark this one and set your own password. So always remember that one. So after generating your wallet, bookmarks into your own gadget or laptop, and then this is your auto wallet address. You have to do is to copy it here and then paste it here. Paste it to get this column and then click update. So automatically this page will be updated. And then it has been set already. So next step is you need to click convert. So since we already had set our wallet address, you need to click convert. Then you have available BR share, which is located in the upper part of your own account. So it says that this account have maximum of 2.47 BR share, which can be converted into an AutoCoin. So we have to do is to type the total amount of BR share that we have or available. So type 2.47. So the conversion would be 49.4 AutoCoin. So once approved, you will receive this amount 49.4. So click after that one, click request convert. So let's wait until the system fully done. So it says here that it is waiting for approval. I just don't know how many days would it take, but since we've done the process already for the conversion of our BR share into an AutoCoin, we have to do is to wait guys. So after that one, I would rather discuss first before I forget. You can have if you have active PH or provide help, let's check it here. Since this account have active PH of 2 Bitcoin, you can choose to release all or maybe release profit only. So after doing these activities, it will goes directly to your BR share, and that's the time you can convert it into an AutoCoin. But for those members who have get help already, there is no way guys that you can cancel those get help because there is no cancel button. The status is assigned also. So all we have to do with those kind of account which have current GH and the status is assigned, all we have to do, as I said, we need to wait until the system will fully recovered and we can get back our Bitcoin. So as simple as that. After doing those procedures, converting your BR share into Autocoin. Just wait for how many days and then check it out your own BR share wallet. So you can see the remaining balance of your BR of your Autocoin, which already have been converted. So since this procedure is just only for the sake of video tutorial, so as of now, all you can see here is just waiting for the approval. So I hope this video tutorial that I done today will probably help some of members in this community. Once again, this is Anna, Bitregion team leader. Thank you very much. Have a blessed evening.